So in the future, we're starting with the white label capabilities of Metal Pay, that modularization, and maybe you want to interact directly with the bank partner on their own private ledger. That's the next step. So we're trying to connect all of these pieces, but everything from the simplest, hey, I just want a web widget, to I'm ready to build my own app. I want to talk directly to these banks. And historically in the past, that was a very difficult thing. Try to go and work with a bank. You'd be lucky after a year to maybe get a pilot. We're trying to get you running full speed right off the bat. And in crypto, has been something that has been very difficult. And especially after, I would say, FTX, when that exploded, that really put a crater in the view of the crypto ecosystem. But what came out of that was a renewed vision of compliance is really important. Crypto is in fact money. Digital identity should be safeguarded, and we should have easier, better systems to these fiat ramps. And, if crypto is better than traditional money, let's prove it.